Hello and welcome. In this video I'll be illustrating some more PHP string functions. I'm going to start with a function that will let you convert characters to lowercase, and the function is called str_to_lower function, and that's used to convert characters to lowercase. So let's take a look at an example. So in our example here, I've got the function basically takes in the arguments. So you pass in the arguments. So I passed in these two words, hello world, and I'm performing the function on that. So it's going to convert hello world from this case to all lowercase. All right, so that's basically how the function works. The next function is the opposite, which will convert all characters to uppercase. So let's take a look at an example. So in our example here, you can see I'm using the function to convert this hello world into all uppercase. So you can see the output is all uppercase. Take a look at another function that will convert the first character of a word to lowercase. It is called LC first. So let's take a look at an example. So in the example here, we're applying the function to the first word, first letter of the word, hello. So you can see here it's converted the uppercase H to a lowercase. So it will only act on the first letter of the first word. The next function will convert the first letter of a word to uppercase. It is called the UC first function. So let's take a look at an example. In the example here, we've got the uFirst function applied to this word hello world. You can see the first character is in lowercase, and you can see by using the function it's converted it to uppercase. The next function I want to explain is called a trim function. It is used to remove white space and predefined characters from both sides of a string. So let me illustrate. So in my PHP code, I've got a variable called str, and I've given the variable a value of hello world. So here I'm echoing the variable, and after the echo, I'm applying a break tag. That means it's going to give me a line break. So that's why you see hello world, and then it jumps to the next line. Here is where I'm applying the trim. So what I'm doing here, I am trimming characters from both sides of the string. So I'm trimming the HE from the hello and the D